Hello everyone, what is up? I am going to be reviewing this Meowbah clone that I have stumbled upon on my For You page. Anyways, let's get right into it. Okay, so far I have seen that I can already tell this person is going to be cringe as hell. This is the first video I've seen from her, by the way. I think we can tell. Okay, but what the hell was that ad? You don't need to I did not mean to like that. I did not mean to like that. I tried to pause. Nice and- what the fuck do you mean, nice and lovely? It's fucking pixels on a screen! You don't need to do a fucking dance if you're tripping over something. How is this gonna be a new trend, by the way? If you're ruining it. I don't think I will. No! No! I don't think I will, by the way. She did not slay. Okay, the animation job is actually ass. Okay, you can actually stop LARPing now.
I should be asking.
Okay, but what the fuck is she laughing for? Not tough, by the way. I'm actually getting sick of this. Okay. What the hell is this? You cannot tell me that this is good. Wait, is this supposed to be a ship? Is this supposed to be a ship? Okay, I'm pretty sure it is some kind of ship. Okay, what the actual fuck? Of course it has fucking ChatGPT, bro. I'm not staying on this. This is not cute. This is actually not cute. Okay, the art here is actually fucking ass cheeks, bro. You cannot convince me that this isn't a complete ripoff of Meowbah. And even though it is a ripoff, it is still somehow better looking than the actual thing. I consider this Meowbah. Shut up. This person is a LARPer by just existing, bro. What even is this? What is this? I don't think anybody is going to follow whatever cult you're trying to start. You just ruined Miku for me. You actually just ruined Miku for me. Wait, how ass even was that? What even is that? What even is that? What even is that, bro? That is not fucking Miku. And yet people still have the balls of steel to say every Miku is canon. What about this one? This is not. This doesn't deserve to be a canon Miku. This is not gonna be a new trend, by the way. Okay, I'm actually